I was driving home with my husband. Somebody suddenly appeared in the intersection and swiped the front of my car. I opened up the Nexar app on my phone. The clip was already saved. All I had to do was play it. I looked at my husband and I said, this is why we got the dash cam. My name is Townsend. I live in Cedartown, Georgia. The other driver tried to phrase it as though I had come speeding over the hill. When the police came up to me to ask my version of events, I just pulled out my phone and I showed him the footage of what happened. He looked at it and he said, yep, there's nothing you could have done. I was able to just send it to the insurance companies. They completely reimbursed me for any of my costs and they covered the cost of repairs. What I like most about the Nexar dash cam is the peace of mind it gives me when I'm driving. It works automatically. You don't have to worry about it at all. If it detects a hard brake or an impact of some sort, it automatically singles out that moment into a single clip and backs it up to the free cloud storage provided. Had I not had the dash cam, I would have had to fight with the insurance agency to determine who was at fault. Installation was incredibly easy. It's really just plug and play, set it up in your window, pair it with your phone, and it sets itself up from there. Having it in my car gives me a lot of peace of mind. It was the best choice I could have made.